The 2025 release wave of Power Apps introduces a new generation of tools that help organizations boost efficiency, streamline workflows, and create stronger business impact. We begin by setting up the challenge in the Plan Designer and uploading all relevant materials, documents, diagrams, or references. Almost instantly, a team of intelligent agents analyzes the context, asks clarifying questions, and starts building a comprehensive plan to meet our objectives. These agents break down the problem, outline key actions, and recommend proven best practices from their areas of expertise. Among them, the process agent plays a leading role. It collaborates with us to create detailed process diagrams, refining workflows step by step until they represent the most efficient sequence of actions. Throughout this collaborative process, we stay informed, provide feedback, and watch our solution evolve in real time into a complete and actionable plan. Using natural language, we then work with the app agent, an expert in building customized Power Apps, to bring our solution to life. We can ask it to create a calendar view of work orders that includes key details such as order ID, due date, and status. The agent explains its reasoning as it generates the necessary code in real time. We can review each step, adjust layouts, modify data sources, and validate logic instantly. Live previews provide immediate feedback, ensuring accuracy and confidence before deployment. This interactive experience speeds up development and guarantees that the final app perfectly matches our business needs. Inside the app, an intelligent data exploration agent enables users to navigate and understand inventory and order data easily. By entering natural language queries like orders with status processing, users can instantly filter interactive dashboards and charts. Next to each visual, the agent produces concise, auto-generated summaries that highlight key information such as quantities, delivery dates, and order numbers. The app also includes an agent feed where users can track real-time events, from new sales order creation and low inventory restock alerts to shipment confirmations. Each event links directly to its related record and appears in a clear chronological timeline. A calendar view displays all scheduled daily events, helping teams plan around key milestones for field technicians. The app provides each driver with a personalized daily roadmap on their iPad, complete with optimized route maps, digital product manuals, and step-by-step installation guides, ensuring they have everything they need on the go. Next, we move to the Copilot Hub, where administrators can manage security and governance for the app. At a glance, they can review details about upcoming feature releases, monitor how intelligent application agents are being used across environments. To explore the Power Apps 2025 Release Wave 2 in more detail, visit the official release plan for full.